Welcome back to TechVibes, your ultimate source for all things streaming, smart TV setups, and device optimizations. Today, we are walking through the complete step-by-step process on how to install and stream RTE Player on your Amazon Firestick. RTE Player gives you access to a massive library of Irish live television, current news, sports, and popular drama series right on your big screen. Because RTE Player is primarily designed for Irish viewers, setting it up on Firestick requires a few quick technical steps to get everything running smoothly. Here at TechVibes, we are going to break down the exact hassle-free procedure using advanced level fixes made simple. Before we start the installation, step 1 is to secure your connection with a reliable virtual private network on your Firestick. A quality private network allows you to connect to a location in Ireland, which is required to unlock RTE Player streams if you are viewing from anywhere outside the region. It also keeps your data completely encrypted and prevents your internet service provider from throttling your connection speeds. Now let us jump into step 2, which is preparing your Firestick to allow installation from unknown sources. Head over to the home screen of your Firestick and navigate to the settings icon on the far right. Select My Fire TV from the Settings menu options. Click on Developer Options inside My Fire TV. If you do not see developer options listed, simply click on About, highlight your Fire TV stick name, and rapidly press the Select button on your remote 7 times until a notification says you are a developer. Go back one screen into Developer Options, click on Install Unknown Apps, and make sure the downloader application is toggled to On. Step 3 is downloading the file management tool needed for this setup. Open the Amazon App Store from your home screen, search for the app named Explore File Manager, and install it onto your device. Explore File Manager is an essential tool because it cleanly extracts and installs specialized split application packages that standard installers cannot process. Step 4 is fetching the installation package through the Downloader app. Open the Downloader application from your home screen apps list. Click on the central URL address bar. Type in the numeric downloader code 435296 and click Go. Downloader will automatically redirect and fetch the compressed file package containing the latest working RTE Player application files. Once the download finishes, click Done instead of Install. Step 5 is extracting and installing the application using Explore File Manager. Open the Explore File Manager app that you installed earlier. Navigate to the internal storage folder on the left panel and click on the Download folder. Locate the downloaded compressed file package and click on it to open its contents. Inside, you will find the installation files required for RTE Player. Click on the primary installer file, grant Explore permission to install unknown apps if prompted, and complete the package installation. Step 6 is configuring your virtual private network and launching the app. Open your virtual private network application on your Firestick, search for the server list, and select a server located in Ireland. Wait a few seconds for the secure connection to establish. Return to your Firestick home screen, navigate to your installed apps section, and select RTE Player. The application will launch smoothly, allowing you to browse live Irish channels and on-demand TV shows immediately. If you ever encounter buffering or connection errors while trying to stream, Step 7 is applying quick practical troubleshooting fixes. Clear the application cache by heading into Firestick Settings, selecting Applications, clicking Manage Installed Applications, selecting RTE Player, and clicking Clear Cache. Additionally, verify that your DNS settings are properly configured, or set your router connection to 2.4 GHz or 5 GHz Wi-Fi for optimal wireless speeds. If you need any official support utilities, you can always visit www.livebytheunknown.com/downloads for updated file tools to keep your device running smoothly. Following these practical steps will have RTE Player running perfectly on your Firestick in just a few minutes. Make sure to stay tuned to TechVibes for all the latest streaming guides, application setups, and device performance tricks. That wraps up our complete tutorial on installing RTE Player on your Firestick today. If this video helped you get your stream up and running, please smash that like button right now. Do not forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on channel notifications so you never miss a future guide from TechVibes. Drop a comment down below to let us know if you have any questions or what app you want us to cover next. Thank you so much for watching TechVibes, and we will see you in the very next video.